arrow from single footlock. So begin in your single footlock and spread the fabrics apart. Bring the loose leg inside and that same arm up and through. Grab the fabric to your heart. Simultaneously, you're going to push the hands out as you lift the leg up to the back, straightening your back up. This is your bow and arrow from a single footlock. When you come back up, bring your hand back flamenco wrap, and then come back through to a flying hollow body. This is your bow and arrow from a single footlock. All right, subscribe to us today to get the newest videos when we drop them. We'll see you there.